Double D Food Engineering designed and built the Revorack Multi-Purpose Cooker over 25 years ago. The cooker's ability to steam cook, roast and bake all in the same chamber, coupled with its wide range of applications, have made it one of the company's most successful products ever. We believe this cooker is capable of almost any task in the further processing of meat, fish, poultry, vegetables and ready meals. It is hugely versatile and can roast joints of beef, lamb, ham or pork, all forms of poultry, whole birds, drumsticks, thighs and wings. It can cook hamburgers, sausages and bacon, fish, recipe dishes and ready meals. It can roast vegetables and bake potatoes. The Revorack Multi-Purpose Cooker can steam cook, roast or bake all in the same chamber. It can cook by dry heat only for roasting or baking. This high temperature capability, up to 280 degrees centigrade, enables it to produce very high colour on many products, especially chicken. It can also cook using steam only from your factory boiler, producing excellent results across a wide range of steamed products. And to protect your yield, it can also combine high temperature and humidity cooking. A major feature is the rotating turntable. Allied to a highly efficient air distribution system, the turntable moves the product through the airflow to produce a consistent cook and even colour every time. Internal product temperatures can be logged on the controller, giving you complete control through the touchscreen interface. Double D's unique air distribution system distributes hot air via louvers, which recirculate the hot air evenly throughout the chamber. The result is a consistency of cook and evenness of colour across each tray or wire and from top to bottom on the rack. The cooker is fully controllable. The controller stores up to 100 cook programs with 8 phases in each. It also has a remote capability, product cook monitor controls and advanced safety and emergency features. A menu-driven touchscreen control panel shows all real-time cook trends. This user-friendly menu, which can be PIN code protected, displays the cooker status, and recipes can be loaded or edited even during cooking. The interior of each cooker is fully welded, so high-pressure hosing and strict cleaning regimes can be applied effectively. All liquids and fats produced during the cooking or cleaning process are drained out of the cooking chamber through a drainage system, which can be custom built. In this example, the heat exchanger has been made easily accessible for cleaning. The unique design allows easy access for cleaning to areas normally inaccessible in an ordinary cooker. A full clean-in-place system can be fitted. The multi-purpose cooker is extremely flexible and has 2 basic designs to accept standard size cooking trays. Cooker capacities range from 1 up to 10 standard racks. The cooker has a rear door as standard to enable high-risk and low-risk control. If necessary, both doors can be interlocked to ensure that the high-care, low-care barrier is not breached. You can trial all our products at our test centre. There, a trained technical team will help you produce the best possible results using your own recipes and specifications until you are completely satisfied. We also offer a range of training programmes, either at Double D or on your site, to ensure you and your team gain maximum benefit from our products.